Big Boss 14 housemates Jasmine Bhasin and Ali Goni, who are a couple in real life too, will soon be seen in a music video titled Tera Suit. The actress shared the news on Instagram with a picture of the video, and the surprise is Tera Suit. She wrote, the couple realized their love for each other during Big Boss 14. Jasmine was also Ali's connection during the family week. After the show, Jasmine accompanied Ali to Kashmir, where she celebrated his birthday along with his family members. Pictures and video of Ali cutting the cake and Jasmine standing beside him went viral. The couple became friends while shooting the stunt-based reality show Khatron Ke Khiladi. Gone are the days when B-Town celebs flew out of Mumbai in whatever they could get their hands on first. Today every celeb has a travel lookbook that has been curated to perfection. Actor Vicky Kaushal can most often be seen catching flights in comfy outfits. The actor did the same on Saturday. Vicky was seen wearing blue t-shirt teamed up with cargo pants. He styled his outfit with a cap. Breezy dresses are not just for parties, they can be worn on flights too. For actress Raveena Tandon, long dresses are always a win for travel. The actress was packed at the Mumbai airport on Saturday morning. Raveena looked gorgeous in long dress which she styled with a denim jacket. Janhvi Kapoor will have a working birthday on Saturday with no time to chill. While she has been busy promoting her upcoming film Ruhi lately, the actress will be shooting the whole day in Patiala for her next film Good Luck Jerry on her birthday. I'll be shooting on my birthday this year for my film Good Luck Jerry in Patiala. I'm really excited. Honestly, I always wanted to be shooting on my birthday because Mama always said that how you spend your birthday sets the tone for the rest of your year. I can't think of a better way to spend the rest of my year than on a film set, said late Sri Devi's daughter. Good Luck Jerry is produced by Anand L. Rai, written by Pankaj Matta and directed by Siddharth Sen Gupta. And the film also features Deepak Dobriyal, Meeta Vashisht, Neeraj Sood and Sushant Singh. Janhvi's new film Ruhi releases on March 11. She co-stars with Rajkumar Rao and Varun Sharma in the film. Actress Swara Bhaskar on Friday started shooting for her upcoming film Jahan Char Yaar in Lucknow. She shared stills from the first day of shoot on Instagram. So happy to be working with Vinod Bachchan sir again after 11 years of shooting Tanu Beds Manu, coincidentally in the same city. Started shooting for Jahan Char Yaar in Lucknow today. Directed by Kamal Pandey, presented by Saundarya Production, she wrote, tagging producer Vinod Bachchan. Here's a glimpse from the first day of the shoot. Can't wait for Shikha Dalsania, Meher Vij, Pooja Chopra to join Jahan Char Yaar shoot, Swara added. Jahan Char Yaar is a tale of friendship challenged by engaging twists and turns. The film features actress Shikha Dalsania, Meher Vij and Pooja Chopra alongside Swara. Jahan Char Yaar narrates the story of four friends trapped in monotony. With grown-up children and distant husbands, their middle-class lives have nothing to look forward to until a getaway to Goa turns into a thrilling roller coaster they never bargained for. A major chunk of the film will also be shot in Goa. The film marks the directorial debut of screenwriter Kamal Pandey, who has previously penned films such as Shaadi Mein Zarur Aana, Saheb Biwi or Gangster Returns. Actress Rakhi Sawant, who was recently seen on Big Boss 14, has claimed that she does not like Abhinav Shukla at all, adding that she decided to bring some love to Abhinav's marriage with wife Rubina when she started flirting with him.
मेरा लव अफेक्शन अभिनव के लिए जीरो भी नहीं था. सॉरी टू से, बट मैं उन्हें बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद करती हूँ, क्योंकि आज आप कान खोल के सुन लो बात. सब मुझे कहते रुबीना ने मेरे पे पानी फेंका तो सडनली सती सावित्री हो गई, सडनली पतिव्रता हो गई, सडनली उनको पति याद आ गए. वो वक्त कहाँ था जो आप बार बार झगड़े करते थे? वो वक्त कहाँ था जो आपका शादीशुदा ज़िंदगी डिवोर्स पे आ गई थी? भाई साहब, वहाँ पर अभिनव के सब फोटो फाड़ रहे थे तो मैंने बेड़ा उठाया, अभिनव को कि मैं इसे इंटरेस्टिंग बनाऊं। मैंने अभिनव को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया। मैंने उनमें एक, क्योंकि रुबीना और अभिनव ने कहीं से भी लव एंगल नहीं आ रहा था, मैंने कहा रुबीना को, क्या मैं आपके हस्बैंड को लव एंगल बनाऊं? शी टोल्ड मी प्लीज़ टेक इट, प्लीज़ डू इट समथिंग, अगर इनको बोरिंग से इंटरेस्टिंग बना सकती हो। मैंने कहा कि मेरे बाएं हाथ का जादू है, तो मैंने किया ना, तो इसमें क्यों भड़कने का, क्यों भड़कने का? आप लोग देखिए, जब से मैं रुबीना और अभिनव की लाइफ में गई हूँ, जब से उन्होंने पानी डाला मेरे पे बिना वजह, मुझे नहीं पता कब से रुबीना और अभिनव एक हुए हैं। आज वो लोग साथ हैं मेरी वजह से, ना कि किसी और की वजह से। क्योंकि मैं जब आई तो उन दोनों में पति पत्नी, और वो जब आई तो दोनों में इमोशन आया और दोनों एक हुए। आज दोनों एक हैं, इसीलिए तीसरी क्या था, दूसरी औरत आई, तब जाके ये हस्बैंड वाइफ एक हुए। मुझे नहीं समझ, देखिए मेरे बॉडी पे पानी फेंका गया, राखी सावंत हूँ मैं, कोई मुझे हाथ भी लगा दे तो मैं
said Rakhi, who was present at the birthday bash of producer and entrepreneur Manik Soni. At the event, Rakhi looked stunning in white lehenga. She styled her outfit with a beautiful Mang Tika and a bracelet which was gifted to her by superstar Salman Khan. Rakhi was one of the finalists of the show this season. She quit the show in the grand finale by accepting a briefcase of Rs 14 lakh. Other celebs who marked their presence at the party were Bindu Dara Singh, Karanveer Bohra, Devalina Bhattacharjee, Rashmi Desai, Vikas Gupta and Jan Kumar Sanu.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.